how is it going? Welcome to Happy Project. Today I will show you how to create a mini succulent garden. Let's go! I will use a wooden dish that I already coated with epoxy coating to make it waterproof. Some people will use a thick clear plastic and cover it so the water won't be absorbed in the wood. In my case, I just want a more permanent coating, so I used epoxy coat. I got it from Amazon. And then some succulents, then some of this miniature figurines and stuff that I got from Amazon too. So let's start by pouring in the potting mix. And we are finally done. Thank you guys for watching, and let me know in the comments below if you like it or if you have any suggestions. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this, and I hope you all are having a wonderful day. Bye!